Hello Earthlings, and welcome to the third installment of this tutorial. Um, if you haven't watched this will be the continuation of our tutorial on how to create a POS. If you haven't watched the previous two videos, I recommend that you watch it first before watching this one. So we're going to continue. Um, we forgot a couple of things here. Uh, we should every time, since button 1 is our save button, every time the user clicks it or adds a data, we should disable the form. So let's go ahead and create another subroutine. We'll name it close form, and we're going to tell it to disable all the buttons in our form, all the objects in our form. So go ahead and do that. So we need to add here um, close form. Another thing that we forgot to do on our previous tutorial is to display the customer ID number. Since on our database, on our access database, we set this one to auto number, so we need to find a way on how to get it. So how are we going to do that? We can do that. Um, there are two ways of doing that, but I'm gonna show you the easy one of doing on how to retrieve the auto number set by our access. So on your Solutions Explorer, click on your dataset. This one, the one with the XSD. Double click on it. As soon as you double click on it, you will see your table here. So what I want you to do is right click on the customer table adapter and click add query. Just click next, select which returns rows. Yep, click next, and we're just gonna add here where customer name is equals to um, question mark. So next, click next. Just need to wait for a couple of seconds or minute even. Give it a while. Okay. So fill by customer name and get by customer name. Click next, then click finish. As soon as you're done doing that, you will see that we've added a SQL command to our table, to our customers table. So after doing so, we need to build the project. So go to build and click on build solution. So after that, as soon as the project finishes building, go back to your customer DB code and just a minute, before closing the form, we need to add a couple of lines here. I'll add the lines first, then I'll try to explain it to you if we got time, because I only have 10 minutes to do this tutorial. So here we're going to start now. let's just type dimension CTA is equals to customer TA dot get data by customer. And since our customer string is located on text box 2, so we're gonna put that text box 2 dot text. Afterwards, let's make a dimension again, CT, as the project name is, our project name is POS tutorial dot dataset, our dataset dbds, no, dbds dot our customers table row is equals to cta dot row of 0. Now we can, with uh, with adding this two line of code, these two code, we can now access the parameters inside our table, our fields, in the fields inside our table. So since text box 1 should hold the customer ID, we just placed here ct dot customer ID. Yep. And let's check it out if it displays a customer ID. So run your program. Run your program. Click on customer and file. File and customers DB. Add, let's say Nancy Drew. Nancy Drew. Address is 1 Brooklyn Road. Mobile number and plus signs if you want to add some. And email address is nancydrew at eatme.com and Nancy Drew. As soon as you click save, we should add, as soon as we click save, there should be a display here. The customer ID should be displayed to us. Okay, save. So we successfully added a record, and as you can see here, we've successfully added one. Okay, so that's it for today. Next up, I'm gonna teach you how to update your record manually using the wizard. We're gonna update it manually. And if you have any comments and suggestions, and any suggestions at all on how you would want us to proceed with this project, please feel free to comment below. If you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to subscribe or like the video. So thank you and happy coding, guys. Bye.